In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform's fill in the blank field. Whether you're creating quizzes, surveys, or engaging forms, this feature will certainly come in handy by making your forms interactive and personalized. Let's dive right in. To begin, head over to jotform.com and log in using your credentials. If you're not already familiar, Jotform is a versatile form building platform that helps you create professional forms with ease. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to My Forms. This is the section where all your created forms are displayed and managed. There you'll find the form you want to work on. Go ahead and open it using the Jotform form builder. This tool is intuitive and provides a seamless experience in customizing your forms. Now, we're ready to add the fill in the blank field. Look up at the top left corner of your screen and click on Add Element, which is represented by a plus sign. This function allows you to insert new elements into your form. Under the Basic tab, you'll see a variety of fields you can add, and among them is the Fill in the Blank option. Simply click, hold, and drag this element into your form where you want it to appear. Once you've added the Fill in the Blank field, you have the flexibility to customize it using the formatting tools available in the toolbar. These tools empower you to craft your questions or passages just the way you envision, tailor your text, tweak the font size, choose different font types, and adjust the alignment on the page according to your preferences. If you wish, you can make your form visually appealing by incorporating images. Jotform also offers a wide range of options to enrich your form further by adding elements like personal details, signature areas, or other fields as required. Now, if you need to insert additional blanks within your passage or question, Jotform makes this easy. Simply head over to the fill in the blank element you've added and click on plus element field to increase the number of blanks your respondents can fill. This functionality is particularly useful for creating exercises where numerous inputs are needed. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add and personalize a fill in the blank field in Jotform. This feature not only enhances the interactivity of your forms, but also makes them more engaging for your respondents. Experiment with different styles and configurations to see which works best for your form's objectives. Remember, with Jotform, the power to create impactful forms is at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.